Okay, welcome back to another our tutorial. So in this session, we will continue working with rainfall data and focus on converting monthly list to yearly list data. So we will convert monthly data to annual data. The revised code will ensure that the year column is included in the final output. So let's dive into the detail here. So first, set the working directory to the location of your monthly data. So this is I set the working directory where I put my data. This is where I put my data, which is in the folder wise here. So read this folder. Now let's read the monthly rainfall data from CSV file. So and then I read the CSV file. So this is the monthly list data that we have prepared before. So this is the monthly list data. So the monthly data is arranged like this. We have year, month, and I have many grid point actually. 109 grid point for each grid point. You can use this code for if you have only one data or any small data, something like that. So I have year and month from 1981 to 2021. So this is how the data has been arranged. So I read this data. Now let's look to each column, calculate the yearly sum, and create a new data set for yearly rainfall. So this is the code the loop that we prepare for k in 1 until 110, because this is the data that we prepare from what we have 109. We put it 1 to 110. But if you have lower grid point, you can change the number of your grid point here. So year null for I 1981 to 2021, which I is A is year, dollar sign year. So we calculate the sum of the monthly value to get the yearly total. So we use sum here for this code here. We use sum. So if you use temperature data, you use mean. But if rainfall, you use sum. Use sum for this code here. And then we combine data for the first column and add subsequent column. If k is equal to 1 year, we use prepare the data frame from 1981 to 2021. So we combine all the data and then we can run this code. You can just follow this code, write it, look at this video. Okay. Now we already run the code, so there is no problem. Now we name the columns appropriately and write the yearly dataset to a CSV file. So we want to make sure that our output have a good label and heading for each column, something like that, so that we don't need to do it again during when we write the data. So call names we use here for call names A, 32, and call A. So we put the column name and then we print the data by using write CSV. So this is our output. We write it as yearly data. So we write it. Okay, it will produce our output in a CSV file. So this is our yearly data. For monthly data, just now we convert it to yearly data. So as you can see, the output is like this. The first column you can just delete. So you can get year and all the annual rainfall, yearly rainfall. So for all grid point. So because I put 110 just now, right? So I should put here 109. So here should be 109. 109. So it will only make sure that it will calculate only all 109 grid point. But if you have 5 grid point, you should read until 5 grid point only. You can change here to 5. Change here to 5. But I have 109 grid point. So it will produce this data set. So you have annual rainfall now. So you can just maybe check the data, something like that, like this. You can see the pattern from 1981 to 2021. So this is the pattern of monthly annual rainfall in Johor River Basin, actually, some of the grid point. So we have convert monthly data to annual data to yearly data by using this code. So that concludes our tutorial on converting monthly list data to yearly list data. So you have learned how to structure the data for better analysis. So feel free to apply this to your data set. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, just let me know. Please comment. I will address your question. Thank you for watching.